Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage and add users on SiteGround. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase a plan of web hosting. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, simply just log in and go to your client area, click on your profile icon and select manage users. And next, then click on the add new user button. Just tap on it and add a pop-up will window appear where you can select the collaborator option and choose the site to which the developer will have access and fill in their details and click add. So just tap on in add and an email invitation will be sent to the new user and you will be see them appear in the manage user section. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.